Respected Chair, distinguished delegates, brothers and sisters from around the world, it is my privilege to address this 113th session of International Labour Conference ILC as the President of Joint Trade Union Coordination Center J2CC Nepal. On behalf of my own confederation, All Nepal Federation of Trade Unions UNTUF and entire workers from Nepal. After the formation of J2CC in 2007, we have been successful to strengthen workers' voice. The major achievements of J2CC in Nepal are inclusion of the workers' right as a fundamental right in the new constitution, adoption of new labor law, introduction of Contributory Social Security Act and scheme, etc. Nepal's labor market is currently going through many key dynamic inclusion, economic transition, and migration issues. Some labor law articles are being misused. This has speeded of the transition of formal sector to informal sector. As a result, this has also blocked workers' right to be organized and demand and claim. Ultimately, millions of workers are flying to abroad for better jobs and futures. There are some articles of Labour Law 2017, such as Section 145, which can fire the worker and cut their fundamental right to be organized. Section 58, which outsources permanent workers and deprives them of their right and makes them a commodity. Recently, the Supreme Court has decided that the Labour Act will not be implemented in the banking and financial sector, which is against the principle of Constitution. Similarly, the Supreme Court's decision to remove 10% service charge in the hotel, restaurant and tourism sector has denied labor rights, which is against the principle of collective bargaining. So the situation demands us to go for movement. Implementation of Contributory Social Security Act is slow. Employers do not want it, and government is indifferent. The issue of climate change has also affected our labor market due to melting of the Himalayas snow and turning them into black stones. Our tourism sector, other sector, and people's health have been badly affected, and we have lost workforce too. We have been hit by the carbon emissions for which the developed countries are blamed. Compensation should be given by the developed countries. This is in fact climate and environmental crime. Also, just transition is needed for workers address the new markets and new jobs. Dear sisters and brothers, AI has not only taken our jobs but also increased massive income inequality in the world. It is therefore high time for us to think and act on just transition, addressing the challenges of new job market created by AI. J2CC Nepal campaigning and advocating to systemize all these issues. Thanks to ILO Nepal for the ongoing support for betterment of Nepali working people. I believe that this conference will bring us together to focus on our issues and fight for our right in this difficult time with greater solidarity and support from across the globe. I wish for a grand success of this conference. Thank you.